Hello Bacho, good evening. Welcome to 5 minutes physics. So in this lecture I will explain refraction at a convex spherical surface and will derive this expression mu2 upon v minus mu1 upon u will be equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon r, where mu2 is the refractive index of denser medium, mu1 refractive index of rarer medium, v is the image distance, u object distance, r is the radius of curvature. ये जो formula है, that formula is very important. We will derive this formula. And why it is important? Because by using that formula we can derive Lensmaker formula, right? So without wasting time, we'll start this session. My name is SRP. You are watching my beautiful channel Love You Science. So let's start. First we'll take a convex spherical surface. See, this one is a convex spherical surface, okay? And ये जो line है, ये line हो गया principal axis. This point is center of curvature. Okay, this point is center of curvature. Here we can take a point object, right? So if I pass a light from that point object towards the convex spherical surface, this ray is called incident ray, and that ray makes an angle with respect to normal. That angle is called incident angle. ये जो normal हो गया, normal always passes through center of curvature of the sphere or spherical surface. The angle between incident ray and normal is called incident angle, right? And one more thing, ये जो medium है आपका rarer medium, refractive index is mu1. ये जो medium आपका denser medium, refractive index is mu2. So again I repeat, ये आपका incident ray, normal with incident ray जो angle है that is I, angle of incident. And as you know, as per the principle of refraction, if a ray is coming from the rarer medium to denser medium, refracted ray bend towards the normal and the angle is refracted angle. Here again at the same time we can pass another ray from that point object which passes through the pole, and you know from that principle of refraction that ray will obviously pass through the center of curvature, and both the ray will meet at this point. This point is called image point I. Okay, is it clear? So the angle between incident ray and principal axis is alpha. We are considering that this is alpha, and the angle between refracted ray and principal axis, the angle is beta, and the angle between normal and principal axis is gamma, right? So there are three angles. Alpha is the angle between incident ray and principal axis, beta is angle between refracted ray with respect to principal axis, and gamma is the angle between normal with respect to principal axis, right? So we know according to Snell's law, sin I by sin R will be equal to mu2 upon mu1. Sin I by sin R is refractive index of denser medium to rarer medium, mu2 upon mu1, right? So if I is small, अगर I small है, we can consider sin I will be equal to I. Similarly, if R is small, we can consider sin R will be equal to R. Is it clear? That means I can write down I by R will be equal to mu2 upon mu1. Then I cross multiply I into mu1 will be equal to R into mu2. ये आपका original equation है. Let this equation is 1. ये primary equation है, right? So I क्या है, R क्या है? देखो ये अगर ये एक ट्रायंगल है O, let this point is M, OMC, ये एक ट्रायंगल है. I is the exterior angle, these two are interior angle. So I will be equal to alpha plus gamma. So that means we can take in this triangle OMC triangle में I will be equal to how much? Alpha plus gamma. I will be equal to alpha plus gamma. Similarly, if I consider this triangle MCI, exterior angle is gamma, interior angle is R beta. So exterior angle will be equal to sum of two interior angle. That means if I consider the triangle MCI, gamma will be equal to R plus beta. So gamma will be equal to R plus beta. So implies R will be gamma minus beta. Is it clear? So we put here, if I put here in place of IE, it will be R alpha plus gamma into mu1 will be equal to R कितना है, gamma minus beta into mu2. Okay, then to find out alpha, beta and gamma, we can take this triangle. Okay, let a perpendicular line draw कर दो इधर. ये पॉइंट तो P पोल था, P, let this point is P dash. So assume करो P dash is very close to P. P dash is very close to P. ये हमारा assumption है, right? So if I consider this triangle O P dash M, O P dash M. So what is tan alpha? Tan alpha will be equal to how much? P upon B. ये क्या है? MP dash upon OP dash. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? So we can say if alpha is small, tan alpha is alpha. So alpha is MP dash upon OP dash. We can take OP since P is close to P dash. So ये हो गया आपका alpha. Similarly, if I consider this triangle MP dash I, MP dash I, triangle MP dash I, then what is tan beta? Tell me, what is tan beta? MP dash upon IP dash. MP dash upon IP dash. Since beta is small, tan beta will be equal to beta. That means beta will be equal to MP dash upon IP dash. Since P dash is close to P, I can say IP dash will be equal to IP. IP. ये हो गया आपका beta. Is it clear? Next, gamma. If I consider this triangle MP dash C, here I am writing. Triangle क्या है? MP dash C. So tan gamma क्या होगा? MP dash upon CP dash. So tan gamma will be equal to MP dash upon CP dash. Since gamma is small, tan gamma will be equal to gamma. So gamma will be equal to MP dash upon CP dash. We can say CP since P is close to P dash. So it is CP. So अल्फा बीटा गामा मिल गया, यहाँ पे डाल दो, आंसर हो जाएगा. अल्फा मिल गया, बीटा मिल गया, गामा मिल गया, यहाँ पे डाल दो. अभी देखो अल्फा क्या है? MP dash अपॉन OP प्लस गामा क्या है? MP dash अपॉन CP होल इनटू mu1 will be equal to गामा कितना है? MP dash अपॉन CP माइनस बीटा कितना है? MP dash अपॉन IP होल इनटू mu2. ठीक है, इन बोथ दिस साइड MP dash will cancel and mu1 को मल्टीप्लाई करो अंदर. So mu1 upon OP plus mu1 upon CP will be equal to mu2 भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दो अंदर, mu2 upon CP minus mu2 upon IP. Is it clear? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Then OP क्या है? देखो OP, what is OP? Object distance, which is U. As per the sign convention, it will be taken as minus. So that means minus U mu1 upon minus U plus mu1 upon CP क्या है? देखो CP is radius of curvature. As per the sign convention, R will be positive. So CP mu1 upon R will be equal to mu2 CP again R minus mu2 upon IP क्या है? What is IP? That is image distance V. As per the sign convention, V will be positive. Is it clear? Then अब ये काम करो, ये जो पार्ट को इस साइड ले आओ और ये पार्ट को उस तरफ ले जाओ, हो जाएगा आंसर. mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U will be equal to mu2 minus R, mu2 by R minus mu1 by R. Is it clear? Then we can write this one mu2 by V minus mu1 upon U will be equal to R2 minus mu2 minus mu1 upon R. ये हो गया आपका फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन. Is it clear? ये हो गया आपका फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन. So what you conclude from this content, mu2 by V minus mu1 upon U will be equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. ये फॉर्मूला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है because that formula will help you to derive lens maker formula. because there are two spherical surface will combine to make a lens, right? So there we'll derive another formula which is called lens maker formula. ये formula बहुत important है, that formula will help you. So how to remember this formula? एक shortcut दे रहा हूँ trick. mu2 मतलब क्या है and mu1 क्या है? mu2 is refractive index of denser medium. Light is refracted towards that medium, मतलब ये 2 होगा by image distance minus mu1 मतलब जहां से आ रहा है from upon object distance will be equal to 2 minus from upon radius of curvature. ये जो ट्रिक है एवरीवेयर इट इज एप्लीकेबल, एवरीवेयर. ये कनकेव हो सकता है, कन्वेक्स हो सकता है, डिफरेंट कंडीशन, कन्वेक्स का डिफरेंट कंडीशन है, कनकेव का डिफरेंट कंडीशन है. जैसे कि ये जो एक्सप्रेशन डिराइव किया इसका कंडीशन क्या था? इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट एट रेयर मीडियम एंड इमेज इज रियल, ये जो फॉर्मूला था, राइट? सो ये एक यूनिवर्सल फॉर्मूला याद रखो, 2 by image minus from by object will be equal to 2 minus from by radius. Okay, hope you guys understood what I've explained. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.